Check it out, guys. This rocket just got shot off from Vandenberg. You can see the other stages falling off there. Look at that trail. All the way from over there. There's the moon up there. Look up in the sky, check out the rocket. There it goes. See that? Yeah, look at that trail it left. It came up from Vandenberg, and you saw a couple of the stages come off just up here. Yeah, just happened about 5 minutes ago, man. It's really cool. I think it is SpaceX, yeah. That's pretty cool, right? Those were the first stages of the booster. So the rocket has several stages. They have like one engine that goes, and then once the